Worth it by Mark.
Welcome to our top 5 repair fails. I'm going to teach you what not to do. Let's dive in. Number 1, never use rice to dry out a liquid damaged phone. Take a look at this. Rice dust everywhere. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Number 2, never force a part that doesn't fit. You might risk breaking something valuable. Like this RAM port here. It's the same with phone screens. Forcing it could lead to a cracked screen. Number 3, never skip disconnecting the battery. Even some newer phones seem forgiving, but it's a crucial step to avoid mishaps. Number 4, never remove a battery with a metal pry tool. It's a sure way to start a fire. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. And finally, number 5, always look up a guide before you attempt a repair. Even after years in the industry, I still look up a guide. It's better to be safe than sorry. I use guides like iFixit, YouTube, Google, you name it, just look it up. AI helps. Oh, a bonus tip. Never pry off a screen without heating it up first. Remember, if it's too hot to touch, it's ready to pry, but be cautious to not overheat it or you'll risk damaging the LCD. So there you have it, folks. Avoid these repair fails and you'll save yourself a lot of headaches. Until next time, happy repairing. Worth it!